Welcome back. Thanks for watching our channel. Like, subscribe, and share. We really appreciate that. Right here we got an 02 C5 Corvette. He's putting some ZR1 style upgrade wheels. He's going with the black and red. Nice combo right here. We got the Michelin Pilot Sports. Once we finish this one, we got another Z06 coming up. I'll show you that soon. Got the C7 here. I'm doing the Granatelli toe arms. It's an extended toe arm. It's got the extra toe adjustment that Corvettes need. Once I get these on here, and I'm gonna do a four-wheel alignment, get these things dialed in, because it's got the sticky Michelin Pilot Sports with the Vossen wheels. It's a really good setup on this one.